Welcome to this MBL webinar on death in the course of divorce proceedings. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Sadie Glover. I'm a partner, mediator and head of family at Blazon Mills Law in Marlow. I've presented a number of webinars for MBL on all sorts of different topics, and this one has to be the cheery. We're going to be considering the position, should a party die during the course of divorce proceedings, and I am perhaps appropriately dressed in black for this. In circumstances where a party dies during the course of proceedings, the legal process can become quite complicated, and depending on the stage at which the party dies, different considerations or alternative legal remedies need to be pursued. There is, of course, a crossover between various different areas of law. The Matrimonial Causes Act 1973 and the related statutory provisions, including the MPFA 1984, TOLATA 1996, and the Inheritance Act 1975, amongst others. Different principles clearly apply to each. For the purposes, though, of this webinar, we're going to be considering the different stages at which death may occur in proceedings, as the timing of the death may have a significant impact on the position of the surviving spouse. We're not going to cover the consequences of death in the context of other property rights, so in particular the operation of the doctrine of survivorship and of TOLATA, or indeed the potential alternative claim can be brought by a spouse against the estate of the deceased. It's really intended to give an introduction to the areas that are concerned with the MCA and the related statutory provisions, so that practitioners who find themselves in the position whereby a party to proceedings has died are aware of the major issues they might face. We'll consider the stage at which the financial remedy proceedings may have reached and whether enforceable orders have been made. So we'll start with the obvious, which is that spouses remain married until the final divorce order is made, and for inheritance purposes, the marriage still exists, and no further steps in the proceedings may be taken as per the case of Peirce and Peirce. Just briefly, in that case, the parties separated in 1966, and in 1970, the husband made a number of fruitless efforts to find the wife. He filed a petition for divorce in 1977, his solicitors having unsuccessfully tried to contact the wife through her former solicitors.